What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? It is so beautiful out today. It is seriously like 70 degrees out. It is gorgeous. Loving this weather, and yeah, I just love when it gets nice outside. But today we're actually going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I got both my base and my premium box finally in. So today I just want to sit down, talk with you guys, show you what I got, and yeah, that's it. So let's get right to it. Alright, so if you don't know, Boxycharm is actually a monthly subscription. So it is $25 for the base box, $35 for the premium box. You do have to have the base box first in order to upgrade to the other one. I love Boxycharm. I've been with them for so long, and honestly, I am a true fan of them. You literally get so much stuff just for $25, and even the $35 one, you get so much. This is my base box. I already peeked in it. You know, I can't wait. But here she is. Of course, the little pink, you can tell that this is the base box. So I did notice I didn't get a card. I'll definitely have to put the prices up, but let me just start with the first one. So the first thing I see in the box is this. This is an Appeal Ultra Creme, right? Ultra Creme Liquid Lipstick. This is what she looks like. I think I'm gonna swatch her. Hold on one second, let me put this down. It does look like a pretty color. You see, does it say the color on here? It says Sugar and Spice. Ooh, that's pretty. That's definitely a really pretty like summer, spring color. Once again, I'm sorry I don't know what the price is. I'll definitely put that right there. But yeah, the first item is the liquid lipstick. All right, so next I see is this. So this is the TRESTIQUE. This is the Conceal, Cover, and Correct Crayon. It looks like it's in the color Bisque. Let me open this up. Okay, there it goes. All right, so there is the crayon. It's kind of like a concealer crayon. Let's see what it looks like. It's creamy, but it's definitely dark. Like, as you could tell, way darker than my complexion. So I'm not going to be able to use this for underneath. And maybe in the summertime, but yeah, it's definitely a little too dark. This is, like I said, that TRESTIQUE. We've gotten something from this too. I think it was, what was it? I think it was a crayon, like a lip crayon. But there is this one, like I said, kind of something I really won't use. And then now I really can't use it because it's too dark. Maybe I'll give it to my sister and see if she'll use it. But yeah, that is the second one. And then the third one, I feel like we're like going through these kind of fast because I don't have that card. But this is the Daily Concepts Shampoo Bar. This, oops, I just clawed it, but it looks like this. It smells pretty good. Is it supposed to be, let me see, scrub this in your head? You know, instead of putting like shampoo in your hair, you literally just like scrub it in your hair. I mean, it smells good. I don't know how much it's gonna work. I don't know if it's gonna like lather or anything like that, but I'll definitely try it. I mean, I do recognize Daily Concepts. I remember that brand being at Ulta with a whole bunch of like soapies and like just like random like beauty stuff. So I would definitely, I'll definitely use this. I mean, it's kind of, oh, plant-based vegan. Sorry, I got distracted. I seen that on here, but I'll definitely use it, give it a try. I mean, so far, not really anything I'm like wow about, but I still got two more items in here. This looks like the Studio Makeup Easy to Wear Eyeshadow Palette. Looks like this, kind of dirty, but that is the palette, and those are the colors. Very basic, very neutral. I'll be honest, nothing really like wow. I have, of course, a bunch of neutrals, and I'm already at the point where like the palette really has to speak to me for me to want it. Like something like this just doesn't draw me in. It's so plain. It literally looks like something that I would just find at the drugstore for like super cheap and be chalky, and I'm not really impressed with this, but I mean, it's in the palette. Maybe I'll just give it to someone because I know I'm not going to use it. I do have one more item, which I actually did choose. They did have us do a choice this month. And this is the GLAMGLOW-BERRY Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Looks like this. It is full size, of course. Let's see. So it said apply an even layer to clean skin. Leave on for 10 minutes. For best results, tissue off and smoothen any excess. If desired, rinse and pat dry. So I'm not really sure what the claims are, like what it's supposed to help do. I mean, probiotic recovery mask, I'm guessing that's to like rejuvenate your skin. So I honestly always wanted to try GLAMGLOW. I remember being in high school and like everyone was obsessed with GLAMGLOW, especially I think it was that silver one. It was like the charcoal mask, I think, or I don't know, or acne, I don't know. I just remember it was a silver one and I just never bought it because it was like $70, I want to say, for like a little ass thing like this. I don't know. I just remember it was hella expensive and I was like, no. I'll be honest, not really thrilled with this box. I mean, I'll try everything. Like I said, I'm just going to give this away and give this away because it's not my shade. But I will try these three. I mean, it is more than what I paid for the box, so I can't really complain too much. But it's just not one of my favorite boxes. I've had way better boxes, and I'm really sad because I wanted, I think it was the micellar water from Tarte that they like previewed for it, and of course I didn't get it. But it's okay. They're all different variations, and I'm just glad I got something that I'll definitely try because I really do want to try this. Wouldn't be a Jasmine video unless I like dropped something, right? So like I was saying, I will definitely try this out. I love masks, so I guess I'm not like too sad, but it just wasn't my favorite this month. All right, so we're gonna move on to the next box. So this is the premium box. This is $35. So in order to get this box, you do have to have the base box at least first. I don't know if it's maybe like for only 1 month or 2 months, but you do have to have that first. And then you can upgrade to get both boxes, or you can actually just get this box. I just got issues, so I have both boxes. But let's dip right in. So once again, this is the Boxycharm premium box. And, oh wait, this does have a card in it. Why did I think it didn't have a card in it? Well, definitely the other one didn't have one. But this one does. It looks like this one is Mother Nature for the theme. And then it does have everything on the back, like I was saying before. It just has the names of the items, what it is, and then the price for it. So the first thing in the box that I see is actually this. So this is the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil. Is that how you say that? Soleil bronzer. I did see this already in the previews, and this is in Luminous. So I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of luminous bronzers. You know, most of the time they have glitter in them. I mean, the packaging is so cute. Like, it really does look luxurious, but I'm just not a fan of, yeah, see, I'm not a fan of them because it looks like it has like glitter in it, and I really wish I would have got the matte one, but this was the one that they gave me. This is actually $30, so that is quite hefty for a bronzer. I mean, it is like decent size, and like of course the packaging is pretty, but $30 for a bronzer, that's quite a bit. We just end up giving this away, but this once again was $30. All right, so the next item in the box is this little thing right here. This is definitely not full size. What is this? It's so little. I mean, it's cute, but like, what am I gonna do with this? Okay, so this, let me look this up. So this is a sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint from Lit Within Glow on the Go. Antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. You can wear it on the cheeks as a glowy blush or lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size fits in your bag, pocket, tiny apartment. So this is for $15. So obviously it is not full size. It's super little. goes. Oops, and I already chipped it in there, but okay, so it basically looks like a lip balm. I mean, this might look cute on the cheeks too, because it is kind of like a cream product. So you, of course, would put this on before you do all your powders and everything. But that is what she's looking like. Once again, this is 15, super little mini. And, oh yeah, by the way, it is MAC makeup. I mean, I know you can obviously see that, but I kind of forgot to say the name. All right, so for the next item in the box, it looks like this is Bannington? I don't know, this looks, oh, it's a brush set. So it's a powder brush to be used with loose and pressed powders and a contour foundation brush. So let me see how these look. I've never heard of this brand before. Ooh, it's soft. This is soft too. I don't really use brushes this shape because I do use spongies for my concealer and like all that stuff. And then this, I actually like powder brushes, even though I really don't use a brush to put my powder on. I do like it when I'm trying to like contour and like clean up, or even to like if I put a little too much blush on, I kind of like tap it over to blend it out a little more. But these are cute. I mean, they are really soft. They kind of remind me of Morphe ones. These are $90 for 2 brushes. That's $45 each brush. All right, next is this little bad boy right here. This is the Sugar Rush Tarte Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. So this is in Peony. So another lip balm. Oh, that's cute. Look, it's like a little rose. That's how she looks. And then the little balm. I do have lipstick on right now, so I don't want to use it. Let me just touch it. Ooh. Ooh, it smells like candy. This is $12. I mean, that's pretty expensive for a little lip balm. I mean, I know Tarte is high end, but this is literally 0.2 ounces. So that's pretty damn expensive. It's cute. I'll use it, of course. It's not like I'm not going to use it. But that is that item. And then let me move on to the next. So this is the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara. Ooh, it's in black. I don't have Kevyn Aucoin items. That is a very, very high-end brand. They are super, super expensive. I'm trying to think of something that I would even want from them. Well, not that I wouldn't want anything from them, but I can't think of anything that like pops out that I've always wanted from them. But I have heard of this brand. I think it's at Sephora. Yeah, I think it's at Sephora. But this is mascara. Let's see what the wand looks like. Ooh, it's curved. So if you can see, the wand is curved and it is black. So can't go wrong with trying a new mascara. This is $29, which that's very expensive. And then the last item in the box is this Pure Heels Centella 90 Ampoule. Yeah, you know I'm already horrible with descriptions, but this is a soothing serum, contains 90% of centella extract. I don't know what that is, but it's supposed to moisture your skin. I've never heard of this brand either, so let me see what she looks like. Oh, that's a cute little bottle. So she looks like that, and then of course it looks like it's a little dropper. So I'll definitely try this out. Maybe I'll try this out tonight. I'm not a big fan of serums just because I have oily skin, and I know they say you're still supposed to use serums, but I'm kind of like iffy. Like, I use my Makeup Revolution one, which I absolutely love, but once I have one, I just kind of stick to it. But I'll definitely try this out. Now that is $28. So for this little bad boy, it is $28. It is 1.01 fluid ounces. So that was everything in my box. I'll be honest, it was okay. There was nothing, as you can tell, that I was like, you know, so excited for. I feel like every video that I do have, there's at least 1 or 2 items that I'm like, oh my God, I'm so excited to get this. But this month, there was nothing that I was really like excited for, to be honest with you. I mean, but I want to appreciate you guys for watching, and definitely be sure to subscribe, because look, like, for you guys to subscribe, it honestly would mean the world to me. I am trying to reach a goal, and I would just appreciate if you guys supported me. And I mean, I'm not going to sit here and force you, like, can't force you, but it would just mean the world to me if you do subscribe. It definitely helps me out. But definitely, like I said, subscribe, and also ring that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you would definitely be notified. And also, while you're there, you might as well add me on all my Snapchat, my IG, my TikTok. I be on all of those. So it is the Jams2535. It is the same, like literally the same. I have the same name for all of them. That's it. I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.